Yeah, good evening. Mahaganadhipataye. Good evening to all. Sujay Bhimani is there. Yeah. Good evening, good evening. Good evening to all. Okay, Ashish, good evening. Ashish, mood బాగుందిరా? మూడ్ చేంజ్ అయిందా లేదా? పొద్దున ఎంతో డిప్రెషన్లో ఉన్నావు. Ashish, how are you? Okay, children, there is a problem on the board. 4 vertices are given to you, and you need to verify these vertices forms a square or not. These vertices forms a square or not. Okay, if they forms a square, find the perimeter of the square. If these are the vertices of a square, then find its perimeter. This is the question. First one, we need to verify whether these vertices forms a square or not. And second question, if they forms a square, then find its perimeter. Okay, na? Now, so how can we see, or how can we accept, what is the way that these vertices forms a square or not? What is the idea? What is the concept? All sides and the diagonals must be equal. Find the distance between points and check whether they are equal. Amulya, distance between points ante clarity undali. Distance between point ante clarity undali. What distance we need to find? All sides as well as diagonals. All sides as well as diagonals we need to find the distances. So calculate the distance between the sides means find AB, BC, CD, DA. Not only that, AC and BD. Calculate all these distances. Children, fast. Calculate all the distances. Ashish Babu, వాడు క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాను, నేను వాడు సమాధానం చెప్పలేదు. ఒకళ్ళు 3√2 అంటారు, ఒకళ్ళు 9√2 అంటారు. ఏది రైట్? Ashish Babu is there in the class? Am I audible, children? And why Ashish is not talking? Neha Vaspalli, Ashish, both are not sending answers. Both are there in the class or not? They are not giving answers. Neha. Right, see, AB distance, 3 minus 0, 3, 9, 2 minus 5, minus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, so 3√2, AB 3√2, some of you told it is 9√2, BC, 0 minus 3, 0 minus half minus 3, plus 3, 9. This is also 9. Again 3√2. This is also 3√2. This one, minus 3, 0, 3. 3 square 9. 2 minus half minus 1. 2 minus half minus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 only. Again it is, that is also 3√2. And AD, 9, 9, that is also 3√2. So all the sides are 3√2 only. All the sides are equal to 3√2. Okay. And diagonals. Diagonals now see. 3 minus half minus 3, 6, 6. And a 36. 36 plus 0 means 6 units. AC 6 units. BD 0 minus 0, 0. Plus 5 minus half minus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 square, 36. 6 units. Okay. So all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So it is a square. So what is the perimeter then? What is the perimeter? is the perimeter of square? We know perimeter of square is 4 into side, na? So 4 into 3 root 2. 12 root 2 units. Even we can calculate area also. Side into side. 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 9 into 2. 18 units square. Perimeter 12 root 2, area 18. We can calculate that one also. We know area of square is side into side, na? Next question. Next question, children. Show that the points A1, 2, B4, 3 A1, 2, B4, 3, C6, 6 D3, 5 D3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Show that these are the vertices of a parallelogram, and even show that they did not form a rectangle. 2 questions. Prove that these are the vertices of a parallelogram. Not only that, we have to prove they did not form a rectangle. So what to do, children? For that, what we have to do? Opposite sides are equal, diagonals unequal. Lalita Dicha, very good. First find length of diagonal. Okay. Suppose you got length of the diagonals are not equal, then what is your conclusion, Amulya? Suppose length of the diagonals are not equal, what is your conclusion? It forms a parallelogram. So calculate the opposite. If opposite sides are equal, we have to prove that if these two are equal, opposite sides are equal, and the diagonals are not equal, then we can say that they are the vertices of a parallelogram, but not forms a rectangle. Not forms a rectangle. They forms a parallelogram only, not a rectangle. Okay, na? Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. So it is a parallelogram. So do that. Do that, children. What is AB? What is CD? First, AB how much? 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square. 9 plus 1 root 10. What is CD? What is CD? 6 minus 3 whole square. 6 minus 3, 3 whole square, 9. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 square, 1. Root 10. So AB equal to CD. Now AD. AD distance. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Minus 5 whole square, 25. Plus 2 minus 6, 4. 4 square, 16. Root over 41. AD BC now. BC. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3. Sorry. AD BC na. AD and BC we need to see. AD 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square 4. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 1 minus 3 9. Root over 13. BC 4 minus 6 minus 2 whole square 4. 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square 9. Root over 13. So this is happened. AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. Satisfied. Now AC. AC. AC distance. 1 minus 6 minus 5. 1 minus 6 minus 5 root over 25 plus 16. 2 minus 6 minus 4, 16 under root over 41. Now BD. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 square root over 1. 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 square 4. Root 5. So AC is not equal to BD. And here AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Since opposite sides are equal, they forms a parallelogram. Since diagonals are not equal, it forms a rectangle. We cannot say that it forms means the vertices forms a rectangle. Is that understood, children? Is that okay? Opposite sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Since opposite sides are equal, we can say that they are the vertices of a parallelogram. Since diagonals are not equal, we can clearly say that they are not the vertices of a rectangle. Okay? Next question. If the points A 4, 3, B x, 5, A 4, 3, B x, 5, these 2 points lie on the circle with center O 2, 3. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Children, there is a circle with center O whose coordinates are 2, 3. Whose coordinates are 2, 3. Now, there are 2 points on the circle, A and B, coordinates of A are 4, 3 and coordinates of B are x, 5. We need to find out the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. How to do it? Any idea? Any idea? O is the midpoint. How can you say that O is the midpoint? Circle kuda midpoint ఉంటుంది ఏమిటి? లలితాదిత్య సర్కిల్ కి మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుందా? వాట్ టు డూ నౌ? both are equal to radius, sir. Wrong. Okay. Join OA. What we can say it? Join OA. Join OA. What is OA? What is OA? Join OA. What is OA? Radius. Very good. Now OB. What is OB? What is OB? OB is also radius. OA radius. OB is also radius. So first calculate radius. First calculate OA. OA. Root over 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square minus 2 whole square plus 0 square. So OA is 2. OA is 2. Because 2 square is 4, root over 4 is 2. Now find out OB. Root over 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. 3 minus 5 whole square. Now if you simplify this, 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. We know that OA and OB both are equal because they are the radii of the circuit. OA and OB are equal because they are the radii of the circuit. So OA is equal to OB. Then OA square is equal to OB square also. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. OB square, OA square. OA square is 4. So 4 is equal to OB square means 2x minus whole square plus 4. OA square 4 is equal to OB square and then square root. We cannot write square root. OB square we cannot write. OB is this one. Then OB square is this one. So 4 is equal to this one. Now simplify. 2 minus x whole square is equal to 4 minus 4. 2 minus x whole square is 0. And then 2 minus x 0. X is 2. X value is 2. Is that understood? OA is 2, then OA square 4. OB is root over 2 minus x whole square plus 4. Then OB square is, we cannot write that OA square, using that square root over there. We cannot write the square root. So 2 minus x whole square plus 4 is equal to 4. Then 2 minus x whole square is 0. Then x is 2. X is 2. Next question. A minus 3 comma 2, B minus 5 comma 5. A minus 3 comma 2, B minus 5 comma 5, C 2 comma minus 3, D 4 comma 4. So these are the vertices of a rhombus. Find its area. These 4 are the vertices of a rhombus. It is given. They are the vertices of rhombus. And we need to find out their area. Do it fast. They are the vertices of a rhombus. Find its area. So what to do for that? How can we find out area of rhombus? We know area of rhombus is equal to half d1 into d2, which is half AC into BD. Now find the length of the diagonals. Find the length of the diagonals and multiply them. Take half of them. It is not necessary that to verify that whether the diagonals are equal or not. Just you need to find out the area of rhombus. That's all. Okay. What is your answer, children? What is the area of rhombus? Okay, you can leave now. You are not sending the answers.